So we have the Food Nutrition magnetic pack here. Text descriptions, as you can see in the front of the pack, but there's heavyweight full of images around food and the Eat Well guide in the UK. We also have here the Food Nutrition lesson plan. It also has all the information in regard to each of the magnets in there, so you can get a real good discussion between either a one person, small group, or even a class. This pack is A3, so it goes with the professional sided board. We do have an A4 size that goes with the school version. And now I'm going to be placing up these magnets onto the board so you can see all the different images that go in this pack. So we have here the Food Nutrition My BodyBoard pack. As you can see, there are loads of different images that you can use to talk about multiple areas around obesity. We've kind of put a cartoonish face, and that's for discussion as well, because it's over round, etc. And it might be something you talk about obesity, but there are many issues that can be talked about, and text descriptions are here. Full information on each magnet is in the activity guide, and in this case what I've done is placed it so that you can see both sides, and because the magnets you can turn over, but essentially there are two sides that you can use with the universal board, so you've got room to actually look at some of the images in more detail and not feel like you've squashed everything into one place. So this is the My BodyBoard Food Nutrition pack. You can also get the Eat Well guide pack that you can use that shows for the UK especially what you should be eating over a certain amount of time. To purchase this, come to myeducationworld.co.uk. That's myeducationworld.co.uk.